Racing is always at its best. And they're out. Early lead is taken by Galantuar from the outside, moving up on the inside. Is entry number 3. And that is Crafty Treasure. It's Crafty Treasure moving up by the rail is Tony Quater. It is now Tony Quater in the lead, followed by Nice and Easy, Crafty Treasure. Wow West and Galantuar is bringing up the rear. Nearing the far turn, it's Tony Quater in the lead, followed by Crafty Treasure in second, Nice and Easy. And moving up on the inside is Wow West and Galantuar. Rounding the far turn is still Tony Quater in the lead, followed by Wow West by the rail. Crafty Treasure, Nice and Easy on the farther outside. Wow West moving up on the inside, Tony Quater. Crafty Treasure moving up on the farther outside, Nice and Easy. And Galantuar. Another top stretch, Wow West in the lead. It is now Wow West in the lead by 2.5 lanes. Crafty Treasure moving up on the farther outside. On the inside is Tony Quater. Wow West and Crafty Treasure now moving up on the outside. Crafty Treasure on the outside. Wow West by the rail. It's Crafty Treasure. Wow West, Nice and Easy. And Tony Quater. And nearing the payoff line, it's Crafty Treasure. Wow West finally. Crafty Treasure. Wow West, Nice and Easy. Tony Quater, Galantuar.
Bakit ka napapasigaw doon?